Hello everyone, I'm Kanishka and welcome back to my channel Cook by Kanishka. During the summertime, we all love eating something cool and refreshing. Either they are ice creams or refreshing juices. So why not to give it a try to this banana ice cream? So let's go and check out this recipe and must watch it till the end. Thank you.
So for this, first take 3 bananas and remove their peel. Now with the help of a knife, cut it into small pieces because after that we have to grind them. As you can see, I have cut them all. Now in a container, take them out and then cover the lid and refrigerate it for overnight or for 8 hours. After 8 hours, with the help of a spoon, as you can see, they are completely frozen. Now in a grinder, grind the pieces, but don't forget to break the large pieces if there are any. And then here I took 1.5 cup of milk and then boiled it until the quantity decreases to half. I took thicker milk for a better flavor of ice cream. If you want, you can take thinner milk also. It's up to you. Add this milk in the grinder so that we can grind the bananas easier. Cover the lid and grind it. After grinding it, as you can see, the consistency of the paste is perfect. Here I took Hershey's syrup of strawberry flavor and add 2 tablespoons of it in the paste and then mix them. And if you want, then you can add pink food color also. Now take an ice cream mold and pour the paste in the mold. If you want, you can take a glass also and do the same procedure. As you can see, I have poured them in all the molds. Take an aluminum foil and then cover the lid. Now with the help of a knife, cut a small portion and then dip the ice cream stick into the molds and do the same with the glass molds also. But be careful while doing the procedure. As you can see, I have made them all. Now it's time for refrigerating. Refrigerate it for 8 hours or overnight in the freezer. After 8 hours, remove its aluminum foil and now you can see they are completely frozen. On the other side, in a bowl, take some water and dip the ice cream molds. And then, with the help of your hands, try to remove the ice cream from the molds. Wow, it's looking so beautiful and tasty, isn't it? And do the same procedure with the glass molds also. The ice cream from the glass molds. Wow, it is also amazing, man. Now do it with others also. Place it in a plate and then garnish it with some chopped pistachio or any nuts.
So tada! Ice cream is ready. If you really like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, share this video and do comment down below. And stay tuned for more such recipes. Thank you.